Hey everybody, Professor Benley want to look ahead at Unit 4. Can't believe we're already in Unit 4, but Unit 4 is another very important week. Firstly, we will be having office hours on Monday at our usual time from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And our chats will be a little different this week. Instead of holding them on Tuesday, I'll be holding them on Wednesday. I'll hold them at our usual time on Wednesday, which will be the 23rd of October. I will be going over the presidencies of Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, and that will be very, very interesting. We'll be going over those on Wednesday, the 23rd, instead of the 22nd. I have a professional development event to go to on Tuesday, so I cannot chat then, but we will chat on Wednesday, not a problem. I also will be going over the Unit 4 discussion board assignment during that chat as well. I've already posted my PowerPoint and my videos explaining it, so I hope you've gotten a chance to look at those and decide what topics you want to go into and started on those assignments, on that assignment. Okay, so your Unit 4 due date is very important. Unit 4, another big week because you have a discussion board assignment due. The second of your two big writing assignments is your Unit 4 discussion board assignment. So without further ado, Friday, which will be October 25th, you will have your Unit 4 determined knowledge due, and you will have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due. The original post is where you answer the prompt. Okay, so you have two important things due on Friday the 25th. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 determined knowledge, and secondly, your Unit 4 discussion board original post. Okay, then on Tuesday the 29th, you have two important things due as well for Unit 4. You firstly have your Unit 4 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And keep in mind, everybody, that your responses will not be accepted after the 29th. So get this assignment in, everybody. It's so incredibly important. Don't get points taken right off the bat just because you didn't respond to your fellow students in time, or you didn't respond to them at all. So please respond to those classmates by the 29th. All right, you guys can do this. Remember, in Unit 4 DB, you're simply building on what we did in Unit 2 DB. I'm always here for questions. You can do it. So stay too strong, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week.